Okay, ito po yung mga prices natin. Meron tayong cash prize, meron tayong certificate, one pair of shoes, GT jump, and meron tayong medal para sa 3-point shootout contest, season 6 ng Kapurok Brotherhood. Okay. Arlie Laudjanco ang first shot. Ito ay mula sa team ni June. 8 points. Nagmula sa Pugat, Hagunoy, Bulacan.
25 seconds. Around 15 seconds.
Okay, last rock. 5 seconds. And ball. Ilan total? Okay, 2 points lang para kay Arlie. Okay, next, Michael Pacheco. 3-point king ng season 3. 1 point, 2, 3, 4. Oh, kapos. 4 points. First rock. Okay, dito tayo. 5. Okay, nasa third rock na tayo. Third rock. 30 seconds. Wala, panggilid lang.
6 points. Around 15 seconds.
6 points. Last rock.
May 5 shot pa siya. 7 points. Stop.
And 7 points. Oh. Harold Alcantara. 3-point king, season 2.
Dalawa. Tatlo. 4.
4 points. First rock.
Meron ka na 5 points.
6.
6 points.
6.
Meron ka 3 seconds. 6 points. 7 points. 8 points. Meron ka 15 seconds.
9 points.
10 points. Meron ka 5 seconds. 4. Stop.
And total
8 points.
10 points. Next, Renel Mendoza. Bubuhatin ang lugar ng Tampul Pairs.
1 point.
1 points.
2
2.
points.
Second rock.
Second rock.
3. 4. 4 points. Third rock na tayo dito sa center. Oras, oras.
1 point sa 10 seconds.
Last rock.
5 seconds na, 5 seconds.
1, 2,
And 6 points.
6 points. Okay, Sunny Contino. From team ni Anthony. Second rock, no points. First rock. 3 points. 4. Third rock. 5.
5 points na.
Fourth rock.
20 seconds.
20 seconds.
15 seconds.
Last 15 seconds. Last rock.
10 seconds.
5 points.
Isa na lang.
Joey Ignacio from Team Karat. Second rack. First rack, no points. 1 point. 1 point. Third rack. Take time, take time. Mamaya lang, naka-reserve. Hey! Ito si Kasim. Si Juanahan, partida. Oh.
Knockdown red.
Check your lane.
Dito na lang nakashoot. Sabay pa.
Violation pa. Partida pa yan ha, one hand.
1 point.
Ito, Sherman from Team Karat. Fourth track.
1 point na lang.
Last track.
And stop the ball. There is a 2 point.
Another Team Karat. Number 21, Rason.
1 point. Ang nangunguna ngayon, si Kuya Harold ang nangunguna. 10 points. 2 points. There is a head.
Last track.
10 seconds. And out.
Another Team Karat.
Iba.
Si Kada, 07. No points.
Second rock. Malakas ang mga tira.
No points.
Third rock. One point. 30 seconds. 2 points. 3 points. 3 points rock. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. And 3 points.
Raymond Tolentino.
1 point. Two points. That's 3 points.
Paling. Last track.
12 seconds. 4 points. And 4 points.
4 points. Sa Ronald Vizcaira.
1, 2, 3, go.
Team John.
Vizcaira. Alakas. Alak. First rock. Second rock. 1 point. 2 point. 3 point.
Mirit pa. Timer. 10 seconds. Last rock. Parang wala pa.
2, 1.
Bang! Rojas! Something John. Double.
Oh, nagpakabisyon na.
No points. First
Zero
rock.
points. Second rock. Point.
Ninyo, papahuli pa si Ninyo.
30 seconds. Point. Tapos, kanina malakas. 20 seconds. 3 points. Matutuwa. 5 seconds.
5 seconds.
3, 2, 1. Lakas.
Itayo mo ang pugad.
1 point. First rock.
Third rock.
45 seconds. 2 points pa rin.
2 points.
30 seconds.
Last rock. 2 points.
5 seconds.
2 points. Alberto. Season 1, 3-point king.
Siya nga pala yung nanalo sa season 1. 3-point kick.
1
1
point.
point para sa first rock. Second rock. 2 points.
Third rock.
Third rock. 2 points. 3 points. 34 seconds.
Okay, ang ating human rock gumagana.
1 point.
Bayanihan
5
tayo.
points. 5 points.
Last rock. Isang
3 seconds. Long basket. 5 points.
5 points total. John. Alberto. Sa Jeff Ulpina.
First rock para kay Jeff. 1. Ako, last rock. 2 points. 2 points. 3 points. 1 point. Go to beat. First rock. 5 points. 6 points. 15 seconds.
Last rock. Kay Ulpina.
7 points. 8 points.
8 points. Jeff Ulpina. Next. From Team Arnold.
First rock.
Edgar Aguirre. Alan kay Dick ng Team Arnold.
0 points. First rock. Okay, ganun po. 1 point. Ang ilong pinag na eh. 1 point. 10 seconds. 2 points. 3 points. Abang ako eh. 18 seconds. 7 points lagi. 18 mo. 10 seconds.
Konti lang, konti kiri lang. 4 points. Edgar Aguirre. Andrew Reyes, number 24 ng Team Arnold.
First rock, Andrew. 1 point.
1 point. First rock.
Need to score 7. 3 points.
points. Ibibit niya 7 points ni Michael Pacheco. Nasa third rock tayo. 4 points. Fourth rock. 4 points. 5.
This is score, 6 points.
6 points. John Brian Pesino from Team Arnold.
Let's rock, JB, malakas. Maraming kinain. Let's rock. Wala.
Apat na mata, hindi pa maka-shoot.
Hindi pa si Eran. 1 point. Para sa JB. 2 points. 3 points.
7 points.
4 points, 4th rock, last rock. Ibibit niya 7 points ni Michael.
5 points. 6 points.
Hey! Last one. Oh! 6 points. By JB Pesino. Nyo, Lukakaw. From Team June.
Up. Mamaya muna tayo, mamaya muna. First rock. Okay. So score 7. 4 points. 3 points. May nananalangin. 4 points.
5 points, third rock. 7 points. 8 points.
9 points. 9 points.
9 points, okay. Napit na yung kay Michael. Laglag na si Michael. Woo! Yun yung Lukakaw. 10 points. Okay, next. Benji Abag. Number 3 ng
Ready?
team leader to.
First rock. Up.
Take your time.
8 points lang. 8 points lang. Kailangan, 9 points ang kailangan mo para pumasok. Mag-advance.
9 points ha, yung masushoot ha, hindi yung sablay.
0 points.
Team leader, Benji. Yo! Daming pansa. Yo! Ron Austin Alcantara. Pinakabata ito. 1.
Go!
1 point. 2. Fourth rock tayo, fourth rock. Second round na tayo. Ang top 3 natin, Jeff Olpina, Harold Alcantara, Ninyong Bukakaw.
Championship na to.
So, last round na tayo, last round. Jeff Olpina, 1 point. 2. 3 points.
3 points.
5 points. Third rock. 5 points.
6 points.
Nangangamoy na, nangangamoy. Last track, 15 seconds.
Puti na lang.
Last one. 8 points for round 2. Jeff Olpina. Round 2 na tayo. Next, Harold Alcantara. First round, 10 points. The final round.
Ezra. Airborne.
Nothing. Oh! One. 1 point. Third block. Alam na. And 2 points. Harold Alcantara still.
Ready,
Okay.
Ezra?
Ayun yung buka ka. Ibibit niya ang 8 points ni Jeff Ulpina.
1 point. 2 points.
3 points.
4 points.
5. 6 points. Third block. 6 again. 7 points. Last two, last two, last two.
Oh, bola. Okay, mahaba oras.
Hey! Hey! It's a tie. Another round, another round. It's a tie. 8 points. Dahil yung bukaw. Jeff Olpina. Tiger tayo. 8 points. Jeff and Nino. Ngayon. Third rock. Kada rock natin 3 balls shot. 45. Okay, last tayo 45. 40 seconds for the last round.
1 point.
1 point.
2
2.
points.
2. 3. 4. 4. 4 seconds. 5 points counted. Jeff Olpina, 5 points.
30 seconds.
The defender, Nino Bukaw for last round. Zero points.
0 points. First rock. Wait.
0 points. 1,
2 points.
2,
5 points.
3. 3. Last one. Oh! And the champion Chef Olpina,
Pulpina.
3-point king,
Pulpina.
season 6. Thank you very much.
Okay.